Hi everyone, I'm Jeremy Simon and I'm here today with another product spotlight. Today we're looking at Cicla 3D Nano-Infused Copper Antibacterial PLA Filament. Wow, that's a mouthful. So what does that mean? Well, Cicla 3D took some normal PLA material and they infused it with copper nanoparticles. And it turns out that when you 3D print this material, the objects printed take on antimicrobial, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. So this is a great material to explore if you're looking to make any kind of a wearable device, maybe a prosthetic. It's also great for medical devices, all kinds of possibilities. But it's a very interesting material to explore because not only does it have those special antimicrobial properties, but because it's based on PLA, it's just as easy to print as any other PLA you've worked with. So it's very easy to use in just about any 3D printer. To find this, head over to shop3duniverse.com. Go to our Filament menu and choose Shop by Material Type, and then choose Antibacterial from the list. You'll see that we have it in both 1.75 and 2.85 millimeter diameters, and you can just go to the one that you need, choose the color, and add it to your cart. You'll also find here that we have specs, which includes the laboratory testing results, as well as a safety data sheet and technical data sheet with more information. So visit shop3duniverse.com to check out this cool material and maybe pick up a spool to try for yourself. See you next time.